Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another wonderful episode of Fluent English Secrets. I'm your host, John, your friendly English guide. And with me today, as always, is the brilliant, energetic, sometimes over-curious, but always fun to talk to, Jessica. Jessica, how are you?
Over curious, really? But okay, I'll take it. I'm great, John. Super excited for today's episode because we're learning something extremely useful, vocabulary you can actually use every single day.
Exactly. Not fancy, complicated words, not dictionary words, but real English words that native speakers use naturally in daily life. And Jessica, I want you to imagine today like a story, a journey.
A vocabulary journey? I'm ready. Where are we traveling?
We're traveling through a typical day, morning to night, and learning powerful daily use vocabulary through real stories and real situations. So, listeners, imagine you're Jessica. Picture this. It's 7 a.m. Your alarm rings loudly.
I already don't like this story.
Exactly. So let's learn vocabulary around this moment. Word 1. Groggy. Meaning feeling sleepy, tired, slow after waking up.
Oh, yes, that's me every morning. I wake up groggy and confused, like, what year is it?
Listeners, repeat after us. Groggy. Great. Now a sentence. I felt groggy after sleeping only 5 hours. Word 2. Freshen up. Meaning, wash face, brush teeth, get ready quickly.
I always say this. Give me 10 minutes to freshen up. It sounds natural and polite.
Word 3. Running late. Meaning, you are getting late. Everyone repeat. I'm running late. Very common phrase. Now, imagine you're running to catch the bus.
Let me guess. I missed the bus?
Of course, but don't worry. New vocabulary is coming. Word 4. Crowded. Meaning, full of people. Word 5. Squeeze in. Meaning, push yourself into a tight space.
So I squeezed in the crowded bus even though I was already tired?
Exactly. Perfect use. You reach the office. Your boss looks at you with a serious face. Word 6. Deadline. Meaning, the final time to finish something. Word 7. Prioritize. Meaning, decide which task is most important.
Yes, I need this word. I should prioritize my work, but I prioritize lunch instead.
Honest vocabulary lesson. Word 8. Productive. Meaning, getting good work done. Word 9. Multitask. Meaning, doing many things at the same time. During your break, your friend brings you coffee. Word 10. Appreciate. Meaning, to value something someone does.
I really appreciate this coffee. You saved my life.
Word 11. Catch up. Meaning, update each other on life. Let's catch up later. Very natural phrase.
Let me guess. Something goes wrong again?
Always, life keeps giving vocabulary lessons. Word 12. Issue. Meaning, problem. Word 13. Sort out. Meaning, fix or organize.
So my computer crashes and I say, I need to sort out this issue right now.
Perfect. Word 14. Unwind. Meaning, relax after work. Word 15. Leftovers. Meaning, food saved from earlier.
I unwind by watching my favorite show while eating leftovers.
Very realistic. Word 16. Reflect. Meaning, think deeply about your day. Word 17. Grateful. Meaning, thankful. Before sleeping, always reflect and stay grateful. It helps your mind calm down.
Wow! So we learned vocabulary while living a whole day?
Exactly. Learning through stories makes English stick in your mind. Word summary. Quick repeat. Groggy. Freshen up. Running late. Crowded. Squeeze in. Deadline. Prioritize. Multitask. Appreciate. Catch up. Issue. Sort out. Unwind. Leftovers. Reflect. Grateful. To all our listeners, practice these words today. Use them in your messages, conversations, and daily routine.
And don't worry if you forget. Come back and listen again. We're here for you.
Thank you for listening to Fluent English Secrets. I'm John.
And I'm Jessica. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.